Did you know Cleopatra was a master chess player?
Imagine the halls of ancient Egypt, where Cleopatra, the last pharaoh, not only ruled with wisdom, but also excelled at a game you wouldn't expect: chess. Though chess as we know it today wasn't exactly the same back then, early forms of strategic board games were all the rage among the elites. Cleopatra was known for her wit and intelligence, but what if I told you she was unbeaten in chaturanga, an ancestor of modern chess? Picture this: Cleopatra in her royal chambers, engaging in intense matches with visiting dignitaries and her own advisors. These weren't just games, they were a display of strategic thinking, a way for Cleopatra to assert her intellectual dominance. Her skills at the board reflected her approach to ruling Egypt, always thinking several moves ahead, ready for any challenge. This side of Cleopatra showcases not just a ruler, but a master strategist, both in the game and on the world stage.
Ever heard of rainbow walks?
Imagine going for a walk, but with a twist. This isn't just any walk, it's a rainbow walk. Now you might be wondering, what in the world is a rainbow walk? Well, prepare to be intrigued. During a rainbow walk, your mission is to spot colors of the rainbow in the objects around you. Start with red, then orange, yellow, and go all the way down to violet. The challenge? You can't move on to the next color until you've found an object with the current color. Sounds easy, right? But there's a catch. The real fun begins when you start hunting for those notoriously tricky colors. Ever tried finding something indigo on a regular street? Exactly. Rainbow walks turn an ordinary stroll into a colorful adventure, making you observe your surroundings like never before. Plus, it's a fantastic way to engage kids on walks, turning a whiny "are we there yet?" into an excited "what's the next color?"
What if I told you there was a civilization that communicated entirely through music?
In the depths of the Amazon rainforest, hidden away for centuries, existed the melodica, a civilization that thrived on the banks of a now-forgotten river. Unlike any known culture, the melodica developed a unique way of life centered around music. From birth to death, every significant event and every form of communication within the society was expressed not through words, but through complex melodies and rhythms. They built instruments unlike any seen before, capable of producing sounds that could convey a vast range of emotions and messages. Scientists stumbled upon remnants of the melodica only recently when an exploration team found unusual musical instruments and sound chambers designed with acoustics that baffled modern technology. They realized that what they had discovered was not just an ancient civilization, but a lost world where music did more than entertain. It connected, communicated, and maintained the fabric of their society. The discovery has forced historians and linguists to rethink the role of music in human development and its potential as a universal language.
What if I told you turtles predict hurricanes?
Sounds crazy, right? But there's truth to it. Long before our fancy technology, nature had its own warning systems. Let's dive deep into the ocean, home to many creatures, including the wise sea turtles. These turtles have a secret talent. They can sense changes in air and water pressure, something hurricanes dramatically affect. So, when a turtle suddenly changes its behavior, like swimming deeper or avoiding certain areas, it might be sensing an upcoming storm. Scientists study this and other animal behaviors as a natural alert system. Imagine this. Centuries ago, people living near the coast might have watched turtles to predict the weather. It's a fascinating blend of animal instinct and modern science. So next time you see a turtle, remember, it might just be the world's cutest weather forecaster.
Did this ancient emperor have a sweet secret?
Imagine walking through the grand halls of an ancient palace. Whispers of secret recipes echo through the air. Today, we uncover the sweetest secret of them all: Emperor Nero's chocolate obsession. That's right, long before chocolate became a global delight, it was said that Nero, the Roman emperor renowned for his extravagant lifestyle, had a hidden passion for chocolate. Historians speculate that during his reign, Nero had exclusive access to cocoa beans, a treasure so rare and precious it was worth more than gold. Nero indulged in this decadent luxury, enjoying rich chocolate concoctions that were meticulously prepared by his personal chefs. These chocolate feasts were Nero's escape, a sweet contrast to his fiery rule. So next time you indulge in a chocolate treat, remember, you might just be sharing a taste of history with an ancient emperor.
The lost music of the Titanic.
Did you know that hidden melodies from the Titanic were recently discovered? It's true. Deep under the ocean, in the silent remains of the grand ship Titanic, a secret was waiting for hundreds of years. While everyone knows about the tragic sinking of this massive ocean liner back in 1912, there was one thing that no one realized until recently. Among the wreckage, explorers found an old, water-damaged music sheet inside a rusted music box that belonged to the ship's band. This song was meant to be played on the night the ship hit the iceberg. The music, with notes that have never been heard in our time, has been brought back to the surface. Historians and musicians worked together to carefully restore and play the melody. And so, after more than a century at the bottom of the sea, this lost song from the Titanic has been heard once again, a haunting tune reminding us of the lives and stories hidden within the waves. This music piece is a time capsule, a message from the past that has managed to find its way through the waters of time and into our ears. It's as if the musicians of the Titanic are reaching out, making sure their final, unheard symphony did not fade away with the ship's legacy.
Ever heard of a cookie that doesn't melt?
Imagine it's a scorching summer day, and all you crave is something sweet but not messy. What if I told you there's a cookie that wouldn't melt, even in the hottest weather? These unique cookies, known as space cookies, were originally designed for astronauts. Given the challenges of eating in space without creating crumbs, which could damage equipment, scientists developed a special cookie. It can withstand extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, without melting or crumbling. Initially made to last in the vacuum of space, they found a place on Earth, especially popular among campers and hikers. The secret? A special baking process that removes moisture and seals in the flavor, creating a durable yet delicious treat. So next time you're packing for an adventure under the sun or stars, remember the space cookie, a small but mighty snack.
Did you know about the invisible empire beneath us?
Beneath our bustling cities and quiet countrysides lies an empire unknown to many, an empire invisible to our eyes and ancient beyond our comprehension. This empire, known as the Subterranea civilization, was discovered accidentally when a team of geologists stumbled upon a network of underground tunnels while studying seismic activities in an undisclosed location. The Subterranea civilization is believed to have thrived thousands of years ago, dating back to a time even before our earliest known histories. These underground dwellers built their world with remarkable engineering, creating vast cities complete with living quarters, public spaces, and intricate water systems, all hidden deep beneath the Earth's surface. Their existence challenges our understanding of ancient human capabilities and achievements. Yet, despite extensive research, much remains unknown about the Subterranea civilization. How did they live? Why did they choose to build their world underground? And most importantly, what led to their mysterious disappearance? These questions keep historians and archaeologists up at night as they delve deeper into the enigma of the empire beneath us.
Did you know Shakespeare was a secret spy?
Imagine walking through the bustling streets of Elizabethan England, a place where politics and art intertwined. Now picture William Shakespeare not just as a playwright, but as a master of espionage. Unknown to many, Shakespeare had a thrilling life beyond his writing. Historical whispers suggest he worked as a spy for the English crown. His plays weren't just entertainment, they were coded messages passed right under the noses of the public and foreign entities. Shakespeare would travel with his acting troupe, using performances as a cover for his clandestine activities. Encounters in dimly lit taverns, exchanging secret messages disguised within his scripts, and weaving intelligence into his verses, Shakespeare's life was more akin to a spy thriller. His sharp wit wasn't just for crafting dialogues, but also for outsmarting opponents in a world of intrigue. So, next time you read Hamlet or Macbeth, look closer. You might just find the coded secrets of a clever spy hidden in plain sight.
Could this simple puzzle skyrocket your success?
Hold on to your seats, because I'm about to reveal a quirky little secret that might just send your motivation levels through the roof. Did you know that solving puzzles, like the good old jigsaw puzzle, can actually spark a ton of creativity and problem-solving skills in your life and work? Yes, it's true. When you fit those little pieces together, your brain is not only getting a workout, but it's learning to tackle challenges in a calm and patient way. This mental stretch helps build stamina for when you face real-world problems. So next time you're feeling stuck or uninspired, grab a puzzle and watch those gears in your head start turning. You might just find yourself solving issues faster and coming up with ideas that truly shine. Jigsaw puzzles aren't just for rainy days. They could be the key to unlocking your brain's full potential. Did you know anything about this story?